Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a few projects my friends and I have been working on for our CPE course in Ashesi University. The first one is an aviation analysis dashboard. We got three source files from Open Flights. It's an open source data logging website. It's really cool. The problem is, if you can see this, our data is incomplete. You see the cells that have /n, that basically means that they are blank, nothing is in them. So we needed to clean our data before we could use it. That's where our notebook comes in. The notebook cleans the data. It gives it the correct headers, airline, ID, name, alias, and so on, and preserves and saves the cleaned headers, the cleaned databases. That's what we see here. Once the data has been cleaned, it's then meshed for easier data identification. Then the notebook then printed a lot of really beautiful, really lovely images, as you can see here. The problem is, how do we view these? That's where the dashboard comes in. A dashboard is basically a user-friendly, very cool way to see your visuals. Originally we had all of our code on here, but we decided that we should split it up like this, make our code a bit more modular, because we realized that the loading time was a bit long. Yeah, so I'll show you the database. I'll show you the dashboard in action. Okay, we are back. So let me take you through the dashboard really quickly. Over here I have the user guide, which goes into more detail on what each tab is supposed to do. Technical documentation, the preliminary stuff I did before creating the dashboard. So let's start from the reverse, my favorite tab, search and compare. So here you can search any location you want. Just enter the name of the city. I want to enter Accra, so we'll just look for that. While we are waiting for that, it takes a while to process. Next we have shortest path between airports. So that shows you the shortest path. So it shows you just pick one source here and then the destination here, and then it shows you the shortest path, how many hops or stops it will take. Then you have a visual representation of that over here. Airline comparison, you get to compare two or more different airports. Yeah. Advanced visualization is an expansion of the other ones. So here we have centrality, which shows how close each airport is to each other. So just hover over for more information. And you have a 3D visualization of that over here, where each node is a airport and the lines between them represent the paths. Then a core diagram, and we have route density. We have the key here for more explanation. Okay, search and compare is done. So you see it got Kutuka International Airport, which is Accra. The IETA code is Accra. Now let's check network analysis. So we get to see the airport community by size. So yeah, it's a really cool thing. Business intelligence, it has business stuff. So is this airline active, is this airline not active, which city pairs are underserved, so we can focus there to get more money, which one is making us the most money, which route is the most profitable, things like that. Then we have geography. Let me just show you that quickly. And finally we have, let me just show you that quickly. Yeah, we have a lot of stuff here. Feel free to pause if you find anything interesting. Then over here, finally, we have the overview. So overview is just like a summary of everything. So total number of airports, total routes, total airlines, and yeah, that's it. Now that we have this out of the way, I'll let my friend take over. She'll take you through the canvas.
Hello, welcome to our Canvas website for final project. Let's begin by signing in. I have Noel, a student who's taking CS in leadership, as well as FD and mechanics. Noel can submit either a text or Python file, and that submission will leave the submit assignment page because he has already done it. So no more assignments to submit. So Noel has already submitted 4 assignments this week. And so he has 129 learning points. These are the assignments that Noel has submitted. This is Noel's inbox. Announcements posted by faculty, grade reception announcements, as well as feedback. Noel can choose either the dark theme or the light theme. As you see in the faculty's layout, the theme is already set to dark to ease any strain on their eyes. So here we can see the courses that Mami Amar, the faculty, runs: leadership and mechanics. Noel just submitted his leadership assignment, and we can view it from the faculty side. Download it. We should save it in leading with course ID. So I can create a new course here. We can create a new assignment, and we'll see it in the assignment to be done. No submissions for this course, but for this course, it's a submission. So we can grade it since we've already viewed it. In my inbox, I can see that Noel submitted his assignment at this time. If we go to the page of one more faculty, we'll also be able to see that she has the same features, but different courses. You can see that there have been assignments that she has already given. And submission notifications, we can also see her analytics for 2 assignments that she has graded for the same student. But for this course, she has not yet graded it. We can view this course and grade it here. So we can see this, which we have graded now. We can look at the analytics once more and see that it has changed for business. You can also choose what course to submit an announcement for. Now onto the registry page. You can always sign up a new person. We can see that you can't just type in anything. And same for the student ID. It has to be 8 digits and end in a reasonable year. For the faculty as well, the digits have to end in 000 before it will be valid. So as we can see here, registry will not work because the digits have to end before zeros. Data that passes the ID check, the email check, and the password check. We can easily register EC into our system. Thank you so much.